Hi everybody, my name is Juliana Cardillo. I would like to complete my field placement with children and families since I don't have experience working with that population. I was prompted to take medical social work as an elective because of my current job position. I currently work at a community hospital in my area in the social work and case management department, and my role in the department is to provide individuals with community resources um, for individuals who are suffering from lack of food, struggling with their utility bills, are homeless. So the goal of the position that I'm in is to kind of decrease length of stay of hospitalizations and reoccurrent hospitalizations. I'm hoping to gain a better understanding of medical social work more on an education level to kind of understand what drives the social workers' work daily since I work with them every single day. So I think that will be an interesting aspect of this class. But I'm looking forward to working with everybody and learning a lot more about medical social work.